Hello, I'm Indria, and during this festive period, I'm testing a gorgeous 2023 Bentley Continental GT Sport, which of course is fitted with the Can Phantom vehicle immobiliser. So let's go! I will now attempt to start the car without entering the pin. As you can see, as I try to start the car, I am unable to put it into gear. Now I will enter the pin for the immobiliser. 2 left arrows, 2 right arrows. And I will start the car again. Success! This is one of many possible pin combinations using various buttons and switches that I can set and change anytime. Another vehicle secured by the Can Phantom. A very Merry Christmas and a prosperous 2024 to all our clients from the Can Phantom team. Fit it, keep it.